Hello guys, new tablet Nokia T20. This Wi-Fi version, 32GB internal memory, 3GB RAM array. Talk about completation. In completation in the box we have only adapter for charging and Type-C cable and documentary. Okay. Device made of metal. On the back side camera LED. On the front side 10-inch display front camera. On this side Type-C port, speakers, power key, upside volume keys. Okay. We have full HD resolution display, IPS, very good display. Android 11. Okay. Open Geekbench file. Talk about system information. We have Unisoc Spreadroom T Tiger T618 610 GPU Mali G52. Okay. Look results, CPU test results. Close this, look Antutu benchmark, device support 10 touches. And look Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. Launch Minecraft. Look how this game works on the device on the max graphic level. Works very good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. Camera, we have main camera 8 megapixels, front camera 5 megapixels. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.